So, dear students, let us start very important concept, one more concept related to the algebra of complex number, that is multiplicative inverse of a complex number. So, multiplicative inverse of a complex number can be found. Let a complex number be z equals to iota y, and let us suppose its multiplicative inverse is z1. So, what is the definition of multiplicative inverse? Is just like suppose I have a number, real number 5. सो मेरे को इसके साथ कौन सा नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करूं ताकि 1 आ जाए. सो ये जो x होगा दैट विल बी मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ 5. इन दिस केस नो डाउट इट विल बी x will be equals to 1 by 5. तो सिमिलरली इन केस ऑफ complex numbers we have multiplicative inverse, and no doubt a complex number will have a multiplicative inverse again a complex number which will be 1 by that complex number, 1 by that complex number, and we will put the value of 1 by x plus iota y as I explained in the division part of two complex number. What is the purpose of division? What we do in division, we just eliminate iota from denominator, and for iota to be eliminated, what we do, we rationalize the given complex number with the sign changing with the denominator, that is x minus iota y and x minus iota y. After multiplication as done earlier, you will get in numerator as such x minus iota y into 1 will be x minus iota y. नीचे बेटा वही आएगा ये real part square plus imaginary part square. You should remember this. It is very easy. In denominator always you are getting real part square plus with plus sign imaginary part square. So in this case, if I separate real part and imaginary part, what will be I am getting a complex number z1, that is multiplicative inverse of the form a plus iota b. Now what is a here? A is very simple to remember, x by real part square plus imaginary part square. And what is b, the imaginary part? What is b here? Minus y upon x square plus y square. So let us take a practical example of this. For example, I want to find the multiplicative inverse of this complex number 2 plus iota 3. So it's by definition, the multiplicative inverse of any real number, any complex number is 1 by that number, 1 by that of number. So if I write it as 2 by 3 plus iota, and by remembering the concept that the imaginary part, real part will be x by real part over imaginary part square plus real part square. Similarly, remembering this, you can get the answer very easily. So you should remember this result for your MCQ question especially, because it's a very easy question. If you remember this part, that the multiplicative inverse of any complex number is given by x square plus y square plus iota minus y by x square. If I apply this formula directly over here, this is x here and this is y. I have written over here, this is x and this is y. So 1 by of this will be the multiplicative inverse, and you have to eliminate. The elimination of iota from denominator can be done by easily this process of rationalization. So this will be 2 by 2 square plus 3 square minus 3 by 2 square plus 3 square. So its answer is 2 by 13 minus iota to 3 by 13. So this portion completes the first part of algebra of complex number. In next lecture we will discuss what is conjugate of a complex number, what is magnitude or modulus of a complex number, and subsequent result. So इसके बाद बेटा हम आपकी assignment है, आपने assignment solve करनी है. In case you face any problem in assignment, you can send it to me in my personal window. And the next question we will start next lecture is conjugate and the modulus of complex number. So thanks.